In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your PayPal link and share it effortlessly. This is a quick and easy process that will only take a few minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have your PayPal link ready to go wherever and whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. This is the official entry point for accessing your account, so ensure that you're on the correct site to avoid any confusion or potential security risks. Once there, you'll see the homepage featuring various options and services that PayPal offers. Next, locate the Login button, typically positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign-in page. Enter your PayPal credentials, which should include your email address and password. It's always important to ensure that your login details are entered correctly to avoid any issues accessing your account. Once you're logged in, PayPal may prompt you for an additional verification step. Depending on your security settings, this could appear as a request to receive a WhatsApp message or a text message. Choose your preferred method and verify your account through the code provided. This step adds an extra layer of security, protecting you from unauthorized access. With the verification complete, you'll be taken to the PayPal homepage. From this vantage point, look for the settings option, which is often represented by a gear icon. This section of PayPal houses various account management tools and settings. Clicking on Settings will open a menu with several tabs. Here, navigate to the Manage section. This area is crucial as it includes all the controls you need to customize your account and manage your PayPal profile. Within the Manage section, look for the PayPal.me option. This is where you'll find your personal PayPal link. The PayPal.me service is designed to simplify receiving payments by providing a unique link that you can easily share with others. Whether you're requesting payment from a friend or conducting business, sharing this link is straightforward and secure. After clicking on PayPal.done.me, you'll see your personalized PayPal link. Take a moment to ensure it's correct and accurately represents your account. When you're ready to share it, simply copy the link by highlighting it and using the copy function on your device. Once copied, you're free to paste this link into messages, emails, or any communication platform you choose. And there you have it, you've successfully copied your PayPal link, making it easier than ever to send and receive payments electronically. Remember, having your PayPal link on hand saves time and makes financial transactions smoother, so be sure to keep it accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your PayPal account.